day. I wore my pink pajamas. Is that okay? You guys are the coolest kids in the whole wide world. I mean it too. I mean, you're the coolest kids in the whole planet. No, I mean it. You're the coolest kids in the whole universe. Maybe we can get a whole truck full of big pajamas for these kids. That would be fun. Yeah. Who are you? I'm the puppeteer. Is that why you always follow me around? Yeah. This guy's a puppeteer. What are you doing down there? I'm making you work. Yeah, you got that right. You drove me here and you said, get out there and work, and here I am working. Puppeteer? Yeah. I love puppets! Puppets are cool. Oh, I'm not a puppet. What are you thinking? I'm a puppet? I'm a puppet? This is the coolest day of my life. I'm a puppet. Oh, this is cool. I always wanted to be a puppet. Now I am one? Cool. I told you. Yeah, but I really am a puppet? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Reggi, a puppet. My name is Reggi. How y'all doing?
Getting out of bed and I'm gonna have a great day. Getting out of bed and I'm gonna have a great day. Tickle my tummy and say something funny to me.
Oh, that's a big purse. That's a man purse. You know about Pink Shirt Day, we're not supposed to do certain things. And this is a reminder on Pink Shirt Day that we're not supposed to do some things. Like, we're not supposed to bully. Don't punch people? No, well, Pink Shirt Day means we're supposed to do a lot of good, positive things and stay positive and be like that for the rest of the year, not just on Pink Shirt Day, right? Your teachers have already been telling you that, I am sure. See, really, if we had pink shirts and we had what pink shirts mean, but if we had like a pink heart and we didn't do these things, not only would our families be better, but our schools would be better, our communities would be better, and the world would be better, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Well, Pink Shirt Day is really talking about getting rid of these things. Like this, just get rid of them. What if we had Pink Shirt Day in all of Carstairs? What if we had it in all of Alberta? What if we had it in all of Canada? What if we had it in all of the world? That would be awesome. And the way that can happen is everyone does their part. And you're doing it today by wearing your pink shirts and remembering that we're not going to be like that. Other people might have been like that before, but we're not going to be like that anymore, right?
Yeah! Everybody needs a lot of love. 'Cause love keeps forgiving the mistakes we make in living. You can't live without it, ain't no doubt about it. Fix it with a spare, you can't rub it like a bear rubs a tree. Can't live without it, ain't no doubt about it.
No, it may not work. Oh, it's a little extra clap at the end that always throws it off. So if it doesn't work, it's his fault right there. Okay. Ready? Yes. On 3. 1, 2, 3. How many like drawing? What? Wow. There's a lot of artists in this school, I have a feeling. What kind of hair? Spiky hair?
Spiky hair.
Spiky hair?
Yes.
Okay, let's do spiky hair. A big mustache. Okay, let's do a big mustache. Whoa. You said the eyes moving. Now you're saying the mouth. And peanut butter sandwich. What in the world? What kind of hair? Spiky hair? Curly hair? Curly hair, okay. Curly hair. Doing, 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 doing. Oh. Who said a mouth move? Okay, how many seen eyes move? Okay, now put your hands down. How many seen the mouth move then?
I saw both.
Eyes and mouth?
Yeah!
No. How many have ever seen worm? How many have ever seen a ladybug? I bet you've never seen a ladybug like I brought. Want to see a big ladybug?
Yeah!
Fly, 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 ladybugs fly, fly over here, fly over there.
It's not funny yet. Oh, and Owen's getting really excited. You might have to leave the room. People like people with a nice hat. Wave at them. Hi guys, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Oh, look, I look good. Oh, I look handsome. That's what I need, the phone. Do you want to come and help?
Me?
In the gray sweater stripe thing?
There you go. So, hey, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? It's still there. How you doing? You guys are so cool, I'm gonna clap for you. You guys clap or I clap? Well, we're gonna clap faster, so you can keep up with us. Oh, man, we're going through here, we're cool, oh, I thought I was gonna,
Does anyone know what a pirate says? What does a pirate say? Why don't we all do that together? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you guys can do better than that. 1, 2, 3.
We're the chocolate chip pirates and we care nothing for gold. If cookies are out, we are brave and bold. We're the chocolate chip pirates and we want a sugar stack. So if you're eating cookies, prepare for the attack.
And we're going to see if we can make you look just a little bit different. First of all, put this on your head. Oh, if someone's got a camera, you'll see your picture later. Hi guys, how y'all doing? Oh, I look so, oh, I do look cool. Hi, me. Want to have yourself? Sure. Hi, me. Oh, I'm still myself, I'm laughing so hard. What are you guys looking at? Never seen a little guy like me before? I want to see my dance? Do you want to dance for them? Sure, I'd love to. You want to?
No.
Yeah, I'm shaking my head no, but I really do want to. You want to wave at them? Hi guys. I'm embarrassed. This morning I shaved and now look at my face. Let's give her an... Hey, why doesn't everybody stand up? Because this is the last song. Everybody stand up. And I'm going to get my friend to come and sing that song. And you want to move around and get your willies out.